Oh, don't throw them out the window, Jackson.
Fuck off.
Oh, you've got some cleaning up to do.
I'm be fucking cleaning now. What the pencil?
Oh my god, Jacob. She did that to you, Ginny?
Yeah, he's a bad kid. Why did you do that to me? Why did you do that to me? You.
Finally, my Christmas magic faded away.
Oh,
You
should have.
should have listened to your mom.
What? Oh my God! Oh my God!